Here at Paschal, we've taken over 60,000 phone calls already this year. Customers often call in describing their situations in some very interesting ways.
Some of the sounds that customers describe over the phone when I've talked is, one of them is like a Freighttron, like a noise coming from their outdoor unit.
There was one customer who had a sound, it was like a tire squeaking, it was like
making humming noises.
Growling, so like noise. I get that one a lot. Growling and rumbling. They use it as the same way, and then they do the little sound.
Beep. Beep.
I guess the other one would sound like somebody like thumping around inside their ductwork. So just like tonk, 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 people going through their ductwork.
Somebody said that they heard demons in their furnace, so like it was like a weird